Huy.
I'm Lily.
Welcome to Table of Plenty.
If I had to describe Table of Plenty in 3 words, I would say it's multidisciplinary, expressive, and guilt-free. Huy is just a graphic design god, essentially. He does illustration, he does photography, editing. He is so diverse. He has a very distinct and super slick aesthetic, and I think he has a lot to teach you.
Lily is an artistic volcano. She's explosive, she's all over the place, and she's just brilliant. So she does so many things. She's an artist at first, she's a musician, she's a copywriter, she's an art therapist, so she has so much to offer. So I speak Vietnamese and English, and I might be learning Japanese soon.
So cool. I dabble in a little bit of Italian, and I may be learning Russian soon, but let's see how that goes, one language at a time. I don't know, ciao, come stai? Mi chiamo Liliano Chiuto. Io ho 24 anni. A questi momenti io sono un poco stanca. I'm saying I'm a little tired.
Favorite food? Fried chicken, because who doesn't love fried chicken? Chicken karaage, KFC, Vietnamese crispy, chicken and rice. Anything to do with fried chicken.
My favourite all-time food is probably tortellini boscaiola. It's just basically a type of pasta with cream sauce, bacon, mushroom, shallots, white wine. It's delicious. Very bad for you, but oh so good for the soul.
My favourite book is The Wind Up Bird Chronicle by Haruki Murakami. I love it because, I think it's very poetic in a way.
I think my all-time favourite book would probably be Perfume by Patrick Susskind. I love it because it really dabbles into the whole multi-sensory experience that literature can offer when it's done really well. It's super evocative, really powerful. Okay, what does art mean to me? Art means a lot. For me personally, art is probably my truest form of communication. Hence the reason I'm kind of dabbling into art therapy and why I always kind of champion it with a big bright flag whenever it gets brought up. I just think it's a real great window to the soul. It kind of allows you to express yourself when you're truly at peace with the process of creativity. Yeah, but it's great. It's a great way of encapsulating your feelings, acknowledging histories, acknowledging past, acknowledging present. But it's also a great way of kind of projecting your thoughts into the future as well.
And I think for me, art is a lens in which you view the world from. I mean, there are so many lenses you can view, in a scientific lens, you can view it in a linguistic one, but then artistic there's a visceral, feeling about it. It's just something from deep down and you express it artistically. You see art in every occurrence, every object, every moment in life, and it just makes your life so rich.
Yeah. Free to color. No question. Yeah. It's either her or Marina Abramovich. Are there any local artists that you like as well?
No. I mean, you're my favorite artist.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Aww.
So I would say Lily would be my favorite artist right now.
Oh my god, that's really cool. I love that. It's abstract, but you can so tell it's me.